Okay, shooters and reloaders, we had another question. And this question was from Steel Waters. His question is when he looks at my bench, he sees that on 9mm bullets that I have all different types. He sees that I have the 9mm in the 115 grain. He sees that I have them in the 124, 125 grain. He also sees that I have it in 147 grain. His question is how come some of them are in .355? You know, these are 355s here. These are also in .355. These 147 are also in 355. And then why others are in the 356, 356. And believe it or not, they also come in a 357. So his question is why are there so many different diameters of the bullets? Okay. When you're getting into reloading, there's all different types of bullets for the 9mm. You've got your jacketed point bullets, which are basically a copper is surrounding the lead core. Then you have a plated bullet, where the plated, as my understanding is, it's a copper bath, and they drop the lead into the copper bath, and then it's through electrolysis. I'm sure I'm going to say that wrong. It's adhered to the lead core, and then you have just plain lead bullets that can either be coated with either a plastic coating or a new high-tech coating. I don't really know how to explain that. It's basically a liquid plastic is the way I would explain it. But because the different diameter of bullets, the reason why is most 9mm barrels are not exact of .355. You know, you got some barrels out there that are .356. So when you're shooting a regular jacketed bullet down your barrel, the .355 diameter bullet is a decent bullet to shoot down your barrel because it's a little bit, it's harder. We'll say that. It's a harder bullet. The lead's a little bit harder. The coating is a little bit harder, so it goes down your barrel and grabs into your rifling just fine. Now, when you go up to the plated bullet, they're a little bit softer bullet. The lead's a little bit softer. The plating is a little bit softer. So to get it to seal into your barrel lands and grooves better, or your rifling, they make it a little bit bigger so it adheres to the barrel better and gets better accuracy. Sometimes though, you have full metal jacket bullets such as these Hornady HAPs that are actually the .356, and the reason why is because if you shoot them out of a lot of barrels, you'll find out that a lot of the 9mm barrels are the .356 diameter, and these actually become more accurate then because they adhere to the rifling better. And then you also have 147 grain .357 9mm bullets. If you're in one of my guns, the barrel is a .356 diameter barrel. To get the most accuracy I can out of that barrel with a lead bullet, I need to shoot the .357 diameter bullet because it adheres to the rifling better. So depending on your barrel, and there's a lot of different ways to find out how big the diameter of your barrel is. You can take it to a gunsmith and he can measure it for you. You can also take a soft lead ball, like for black powder, and you can push it down your barrel, and then you can measure it to find out what your diameter of your barrel is. But that's why there's so many different variances on the bullets. So let's just take all these others out of the equation here. Let's just talk about lead bullets. If you shoot a .355 lead bullet down your .355 barrel, your accuracy might not be as good as it could be if you shot the .356 lead bullet. Then again, you could even get even better accuracy shooting the .357 lead bullet out of that same .355 barrel. So basically, if it's a lead bullet, they say go 1/100th bit larger than your barrel size to get the best accuracy. That's not always the case, but majority of the time it is. So when you're asking how would I develop a load for my gun where I can shoot better groupings, well, the first thing you need to do is figure out what size barrel diameter you have. Is it the .355 or is it the .356? Or did your manufacturer make it a little bit, larger and even go with a 3.57 barrel? So because of that, you need to find out what size barrel you have. And then at that point, let's just say it's a .355 barrel. Well, if it's a .355 barrel, then you can shoot the .355 bullets out of it just fine. However, if you go to a lead bullet or you're reloading lead bullets, then you should go to a .356 lead bullet to help it better into your grooves and your lands of your rifling of your particular firearm. Okay, if your barrel is a .356, you can still shoot the .355 bullets out of it. You just might not get them grabbing hold of your rifling as you could as if you had the appropriate size bullet, which means you probably need to step up to the .356 bullet. Okay, so either the .356 plated or in the .356 jacketed. So it all just depends on why so many bullets. It just depends on your barrel. I mean, you can get better accuracy. And my competition gun, in my revolver. Now there's more. I have more than just one revolver, so each revolver I might put a different bullet in. But it shoots better with the .357 diameter bullet. They say that back, when the 9mm was first invented, a lot of people shot the .357 bullets out of it, and that's pretty much all they shot out of it, But now everybody's saying, just kind of shoot whatever. But other people will tell you that the reason why we have the .356 and the .357 is because those are made for .38 Super. Yes, that is true. But just like everything else in reloading, everything's not exact science. I mean, there's reasons why people do different things. So people will watch this video and they'll say, oh, no. The reason why they make the .356 or the .357 is for the .38 Super. Well, yes, they do make them for .38 Super. So, I mean, there's a little bit more to that. But that's the reason why there's so many different bullets. Normally your full metal jacket bullets are going to be in the .355 range. Normally your plated bullets are going to be in the .356 range. And normally your lead bullets are going to be in the .356, or you can even get them in a .357. And the reason why is because each bullet will fit your rifling different and get you better accuracy. I've got some guns that when I shoot the .356 in them, they don't like it. They don't like it at all. They want the .355s. And I've got other firearms, when I shoot the .355s, they don't like it. They want the .357. So the point is what bullet do you need to put in your firearm to get the best accuracy and group? You just have to figure out for yourself. Find out how big your diameter of your bullet barrel is, and then go from there. All right, I hope that answers the question. This is real hard to explain. I'm sure that somebody else with a little bit more knowledge on gunsmithing and casting and that kind of thing can put this out there better than I can. But that's just the layman's terms on why that is. I hope that helps. I appreciate y'all watching.